Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Luis made a request in the comments for Darden restaurants. Thank you, Luis, for the suggestion. Let's take a look. With a market cap of $15 billion, Darden Restaurants is a S&P 500 company within the restaurants industry. The stock price has overperformed the S&P 500 index over the last 10 years, with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Most data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth 0.7%. Earnings growth 11.5%. Earnings estimates 29.22%. Return on capital 13.11%. Debt to free cash flow 5.65 years. Share buybacks no. And now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield 3.44%. Payout ratio 58.06%. Growth rate 14.46%. Growth years 1 years. That gives Darden Restaurants 6 out of 10 points. Well, that's a mediocre score. You might want to reevaluate this company as a position for your dividend portfolio. Now, let's take a look at the current stock valuation. Based on historical multiples and future estimates from GuruFocus.com, Darden Restaurants is fairly valued. At FastGraphs.com, we can see that analysts estimates a total annual return of 27.4% compared to its normal valuation over a 10-year period. What's your thoughts on Darden Restaurants in a dividend portfolio? Feel free to make a request in the comments regarding future videos. If you found value in this video, please leave a like, and welcome back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.